the more we see transmission going on in the community, the more likely you are to be exposed to someone who has COVID-19.
That's why it's so important the next time your phone rings, you pick up. The Philadelphia Health Department started an Answer the Call campaign to encourage people to do just that. If you're in Philadelphia, it could be a contact tracer trying to reach you. Right now, there are about 100 of them working in the city. And when someone tests positive for COVID, contact tracer like Sarah Grossman start dialing.
We call them to give them instructions on how to isolate themselves and stay away from others, check on their symptoms, and also get a list of folks who they may have been in close contact with.
Sarah says that's important so the contact tracers can then call other people who might have been exposed to the virus. That's key in stopping COVID from spreading. Contact tracers can also share vital information on where you can get tested or get medical care for free. But recently, their job has gotten more difficult.
Our biggest challenge has been actually getting folks to answer the phone.
They don't answer. Or we call people and they don't want to talk to us, or people who pretend that they want to talk to us, but really they are just kind of going through the motions.
Sandra Harmon is also a contact tracer. She fears the lack of cooperation could make things worse in Philadelphia. We've seen the numbers. COVID cases are surging, and they're expected to grow as people gather with their loved ones this Thanksgiving. So the next time your phone rings, here's how you know a legitimate contact tracer like Sarah or Sandra is on the other line. The number would start with 215-218. A contact tracer could also send you a text or email, and if that happens, they'd only be from the numbers or email addresses on your screen. If a contact tracer calls you, what happens next? Coming up at 5:30, we're going to go over some of the questions that a contact tracer would ask you and also talk about some of the places where you can go for free testing and medical care if you don't have insurance. Stephanía Jiménez, NBC10 News.